I was so relaxed at the cat cafe near Nakano Broadway, adjoining pet shop Ku and Riku Nakano Station. 20 minutes from Tokyo Station. The first floor is a pet shop, while the second floor is a cat cafe. You can see cats playing. They are both eyeing each other warily. On the other hand, he's so calm, so cute. He's searching for something. Then he hit the wall. Maybe there's nothing over there. On the other hand, he's so active. If I had him as a pet, it seems like the walks would be quite long. Do you like walking dogs? The boy is trying to control the cat with his fingers. Perhaps this cat mistook the fingers for play. Oh, he found it's a finger. Show your face. She looks like a painting. You have to stay at a museum. The gesture of rubbing her cheek against the wall is also cute. She seems to find comfort in the corner. He's about to take a nap. She's bouncing around and drinking water. He's not drinking water. He seems to be stacked. Well, can he move forward? He gave up. She's chewing on a blanket. Are you hungry? Anyway, let's go to a cat cafe. To the second floor, the introduction of a cat is posted on the wall. Number 1, Chai Munchkin. Number 2, Chimaku Munchkin. Number 3, Mozuku American Shorthair. Number 4, Okaka Shadowed Dake. Number 5, Okome Scottish Fold. Number 6, Yukimi Persian. I changed it into slippers at the entrance. There are many cats inside. There are also holes for the cats to come and go. The leopard print cat has come close to me, eating and drinking. It's like me during school recess. He's taking a show with the cat. He's looking at the whole scene from atop the desk. He didn't show any interest in this direction. But I took a picture with him. Oh, but he ran away. Oh, cats relaxing on a bunk bed. They like grooming themselves. She's as white as snow. She's also licking her whole foot. They are talking about something. Oh, so fluffy. While he's looking out the window, a visitor has arrived from above. It's a very soothing place. If you visit Nakano Broadway, don't miss this cat cafe.